And this is Kiwi. He's having his shower. Kiwi is a red-sided Eclectus from New Guinea. And he is 2 3/4 years old. How are you? Yeah, so handsome. Going to get your butt washed? You can tell by some of his straggly feathers that he's flighted. The feathers get more worn when they fly around. Hello, how are you? Are you a good bird? Yes, you are. And Skipper's over here. He's getting dried off. He's underneath the blow dryer. We use a shower tension bar for like a shower curtain, and then we wrap tape around it so it's not slippery. And then we put it from one end of the tub to the other side of the tub. And it's about 3.5 feet up from the bottom of the tub. And then I just have the shower turned on, not full force. And I don't center it right over the bar. I allow them to, I put it more on one side than the other side so they can get their head out of it if they want to, but he's actually sticking his head right in it. Yes, hello, how are you? Can you say hello? You talk very well. Can you say hello? Are too busy showering? Oh, there's a little green thing in the bottom of the shower. He loves to play with beads, and he brought one in the shower with him, and there it is, right on the bottom. Hello, yes. Hello to you too. Those blue feathers that you see, the back side of those are black. As you can see when he opens his wing up. And the green is the same. It's kind of interesting that they have color on one side and nothing on the other. Those blue ones are his flight feathers and his tail feathers. Hello. He's under the blow dryer, getting dried off. Come here. He's a Solomon Island Eclectus from the Solomon Islands. He's a little smaller than Kiwi is. And that's not because of age, because Skipper is 10 years old. And Kiwi's only 2 3/4 years. Hello to you too. How are you? Are you enjoying your shower? I think they've seen enough of that. Say bye-bye. Hey. Can you say bye-bye? Say it. Not in the shower. He waves bye-bye. And he waves hello. And of course says both. Say bye-bye. They would shower every day if I'd left them. But I don't have this kind of time. Say goodbye.